Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to explain a little bit about how to make a blend in Photoshop. Lots of different reasons you would want to blend. If you have two different colors that you'd like to sort of limit the contrast of those colors, you can blend them. If there are things like skin tone differences that you'd like to blend, that's another way of blending. So there are lots of different options, very robust program. Lots of different ways to go about this. I'm going to explain a little bit about it, and hopefully that'll sum things up for you. So let's take our blank background here, and let's say that we want to create a gradient going across the background to sort of make it just look more appealing. One great way to do that is to click on your gradient tool, which is here. You can click on the colors up here, and that'll give you this gradient editor. You can select this box, and then this box will allow you to select the color that you like. And you can choose through here. So let's say we start with blue, and we want to go to a lighter blue. So we'll choose this box, select the color again, and just choose somewhere down here. That's more teal. Let's go like here. That's good. Okay, so now you can see we have this gradient that's sort of formed here. You can adjust the smoothness. We have good smoothness in there. We'll click OK. The type of gradient that you'd like to create is there. You basically just click on the screen and drag, and you'll see the way the color gets laid out. This is a little heavy. It's a little dark color, so let's undo it and just go back in the opposite direction, and you can see that it works that way as well. And now it's a lighter color where the text is. There are other blending options which involve using the healing brush tool, which is here. You can play around with that, as well as the smudge tool. Here's the smudge tool. If you just select that, you can just grab some of the graphic and just sort of smear it across. Again, there are many different options, but you can play around with it. Those are some. So that's basically how to blend different colors and create blending in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that helps. My name's Justin Conway. Thanks a lot.